everybody, Namaste. I am Prajakta Kori. I am a content creator and actor from Mumbai, India. First of all, Dubai Expo Global Goals Week, thank you so much for making me a part of this. This is such an honor for me to be able to speak at a platform like this amongst people that I look up to. So thank you. I'm very, very grateful. It's Global Goals Week, and honestly, one of the goals that I am very, very passionate about is goal number 5, that is gender equality. Now, for me, I think honestly I am extremely blessed because I grew up in a household, I work in a team, I have a circle of friends and family where gender has never sort of been a filter for anything. So I grew up very strong on that front, and when I was making conversations about this on my YouTube channel, I realized that, oh, that's not how it is for everybody else. So I'll always say that I was very privileged to grow up like this, but it also was a very important lesson for me because I realized that that's a great way of handling gender equality, especially when you are doing something like I do, which is on the internet, where I'm exposed to all kinds of opinions, judgments, feedback. And that is why I'm extremely passionate about this, because this is also one of my favorite conversations to have with my audience online. And every time this conversation is made, I love the kind of feedback I get. I love the kind of conversations I have. I love the kind of people I get to have these conversations with. I mean, I have friends across the world now who I get to talk to, who I get to learn from, and I love it. I love when a new year starts. Honestly, it's the beginning of newer lists and newer resolutions and newer plans and newer things to do. When it comes to goal number 5, I have 3 things on my to-do list this year. Number 1 is that I want to use my platform to make as many effective and recurring conversations about gender equality as I can. It could be as little as, just sitting down and having a chat with somebody about how their struggle with gender equality or gender stereotypes has been, or just opening it up to my audience and trying to understand what they like talking about in this space. So definitely have more conversations and use my platform to optimize my reach and my impact. Number 2 is I'm a content creator. I love writing. Honestly, it's my favorite thing to do, to write and shoot content. So I also intend to normalize conversations around gender. I want to write about characters, I want to write stories without sensationalizing gender equality. I want to incorporate goal number 5 into my content without making it look like it's an effort, because it really isn't. I mean, if you really look at it, people are people, and I love writing characters without having any gender as the filter when I'm thinking of them, and that sort of opens up a lot of new perspectives and a lot of new ways of looking at people as people, and not sort of shaping them according to what the society might think a particular gender might do. Does that make sense? Am I making sense? Basically, I just want to normalize gender equality through my content. And number 3, and what I think is most important, is that I want to keep my mind open to newer experiences, to newer lessons, to learning more about gender equality and gender stereotypes across all genders, across countries, across regions, so that I can have fresher perspective, which will help me in taking this conversation forward. So yeah, I'm all for goal number 5. Okay, that was me. Honestly, gender equality is something that's so close to my heart, so this talk is even more special because of that. But hey, I would love to know, and I'm sure everybody else here would love to know, what your to-do list is going to be for gender equality this time. Why don't you go out and pen down your thoughts about this? Make a to-do list. Let's actively start working towards doing something that's going to make all of us very, 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 very happy. Alright, that's about it. Thank you so much, and have a good day, or night, or evening. Have a good one.